In this video, I'm gonna show you how to write therefore symbol in Word. So to write and to insert therefore symbol in your MS Word document, firstly click on insert. Now in here click on this drop down, then click on equation. Now click on this drop down. Now click on this drop down here and select geometry. Now here you will see option therefore, so select it, and also you will see because, so this is the therefore, select it and click anyway. So it's quick and simple method to write and insert this therefore symbol in MS Word document. Thanks for watching this video.